According to UNESCO, there is a crisis of learning facing many of the world's poorest countries, characterized by large numbers of children out of school with no opportunities to learn, while others who are in school lack basic skills such as reading and mathematics. Nigeria falls into this category of poor countries whose current educational system struggles with overcrowding, decaying infrastructure, poor learning outcomes, especially in low-income neighborhoods, scarce learning materials, insufficient and poorly supported teachers.
I started the See the Future initiative because of some gaps that I saw in the basic education in Nigeria. And the focus is on transforming the basic education in Nigeria in order to ensure that children have access to quality and affordable education.
See the Future initiative is a social enterprise that focuses on broad critical issues affecting public basic education in Nigeria. The initiative is committed to cultivating learning environments to prepare children in a manner that anticipates their future needs, to equip them for a world that demands creativity, intuition, communication, and critical thinking.
There was a report I saw in 2017 talking about the global competitiveness reports. The report talks about why countries are rated developed, underdeveloped, and all of that. So I saw that one of the basic things they use at arriving at those figures is primary education and health. So if that is the case, why can't we do something such that we have a very solid primary education, where if you educate a child up to 12 years, 15 years, the child will be able to make informed choices.
The vision of See the Future initiative aligns with Sustainable Development Goal number 4, which has been set on a short-term target period of 2030 and targets the equitable and equality primary and secondary education to ensure inclusiveness while promoting lifelong learning opportunities.
We have school intervention programs where we ask volunteers to come teach these children. If we identify gaps in literacy, mathematics, or whatever it is, then we have programs, the school literacy programs, where we donate books, or we set up libraries, whatever the case is. We have programs that are based on advocacy, where we want to let government know what exactly is happening. And then our other program is the family involvement in education, which is about fighting for education, even from the home, where we want every parent to be involved in their children's development. We're trying to put up reading clubs where these students can have like competition. We just want them to love reading.
The inaugural project, titled Family Engagement in Education, hosted at the Marywood Primary School, Abute Mete, Lagos, on the 5th of May 2022, underpins STFI's mission, which is to provide opportunities for underserved Nigerian children to access quality basic educational materials. The event was attended by about 80 people, which consisted of parents, teachers, and community leaders. The highlight of this event was the presentation of a bookshelf to the school containing over 300 books, with genres ranging from novels to personal development. The personal development books were donated by Foundation for the Personal Development of African Children to help the children learn about communication, adaptability, character building, social and emotional skills.
This is something for everybody to do. The parents have their part to play. As a citizen of Nigeria, I'm playing my part in ensuring that we have quality education. And then the government, we keep talking to the government to please do what they have to do in all of these schools, to have quality teachers and number of teachers, very, very important. Also, we call on the corporate world, the private, companies, and then, the larger organizations to join us in this drive. We need money to do a whole lot of things in order to achieve all of this. So this is a good corporate social with CSR for organizations.
50 of these personal development books were presented directly to the primary 6th class pupils to help them in goal setting and career determination as they proceed to secondary school.
What we are doing exactly is a situation where any school you go to in Nigeria, we have enough teachers. The classrooms are good. We have toilets, because ordinary toilet can become an issue why a child may not be able to learn very well.